Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. Now we are having this problem. Evaluate 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sine square 60 degrees. That will be equal to how much? Now we are knowing that tan square tan of 45 tan of 45 degrees is equal to 1, cos of 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2, and sine of 60 degrees is equal to same root 3 by 2. Out from the trigonometric table, I will be uploading the video lecture link, so we'll get how these values are came out of the trigonometric table. Now by substituting the values in the equation, we get 2 into tan square theta tan square 45 degree, that will be equal to 2 into 1 square plus cos square 30, that is root of 3 by 2 bracket square minus sine square 60 degree, that will be equal to again root 3 by 2 bracket square. Now here this is having same magnitude but different directions, that is it is having positive and it is having negative sign, so they will be getting cancelled out. So we'll be having the final answer 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.